This is the Pajero, a name that stands for strength, adventure, and a legacy like no other. Built to conquer challenges and take you further than you ever imagined. The Pajero earned its reputation in the toughest race on earth, the Paris-Dakar Rally. Not only did it survive, it thrived, winning 12 times in just over a decade. It wasn't just a car, it was unstoppable. But the Pajero wasn't just made for the race. Its bold, timeless design with clean lines and a rugged stance was built for adventurers. Decades later, it still turns heads, a true classic that never goes out of style. Inside, it was practical and tough, designed for the road and beyond. The revolutionary Super Select 4-wheel drive system let you switch from smooth highways to no roads at all. It was ahead of its time, just like its drivers. For many, the Pajero became more than a car. It was part of the family. It carried dreams, memories, and the promise of adventure. From weekend trips to life's greatest journeys, it was always there. The Pajero wasn't just built to last. It was built to inspire, to remind us that the road ahead is always waiting to be explored. Even today, it stands as a symbol of courage, adventure, and timeless design. The Pajero isn't just a car, it is a legend.